Meaning of the Constitution. What is Constitution? The Constitution is a set of rules, laws, and principles according to which a state is governed. It defines the form of government, the powers and functions of the various organs of the government, such as the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. It also tells the relationship between the state and the individual, that is, people's rights and duties. In short, you can say a constitution is a fundamental legal document that contains the rules according to which the government of a country functions. Our next topic is, why do we need a constitution? We have already mentioned that the constitution is that body of rules and laws according to which the state is governed. A constitution serves a number of purposes. We need a constitution because it tells us what is the fundamental nature of the society and the type of government in a country. For example, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. These are the ideals of the society. It defines the nature of the country's political system. India is a federal country with a parliamentary form of government where people elect their representatives. The Constitution provides a chapter of fundamental rights of the people and protects them from misuse of power by the political leaders. The Constitution gives minorities a right to preserve their language and culture. Moreover, it may make some special provisions for the advancement of women, children, and backward classes. Dear students, it is for the above reasons that we need a constitution. Constitution has an important role to play in a democratic societies. All constitutions begin with the preamble. Our constitution also starts with the preamble. A preamble means an introduction in which the purpose of the constitution is given. Dear students, in next module, we will learn the features of Indian Constitution.